Remembrance Day in Australia. Remembrance Day is a memorial day celebrated since the end of the First World War to remember the members of the armed forces who have died in the line of duty. It is also an occasion to honour soldiers who have died in wars since then. Remembrance Day is observed across the world in Canada, the USA, Bermuda, Ireland, the United Kingdom, France, South Africa, New Zealand and Australia. Australians celebrate Remembrance Day on the 11th of November every year. In the morning, the crowds gather at war memorials across the country. People sing songs and read poems. Then, just before 11 a.m, a musician plays the last post on a bugle. This slow, sad tune signals the beginning of a 2-minute silence. Many employers and businesses invite their staff and customers to observe the 2-minute silence. 11 o'clock marks the end of the First World War on the morning of the 11th of November 1918. Then the bugler plays the rouse. This is the tune which wakes soldiers up in the morning. As part of the remembrance service, it is a sign of hope and of a new beginning. On this occasion, many people wear red paper poppies pinned to their clothes. The poppy is the symbol of Remembrance Day because these flowers grew in such huge numbers on the battlefields in France during World War I. Have you seen the poppy symbol before? Did you know what it represents?